show you this place. What's up, guys, and welcome to the Taichung IKEA. This place is awesome. Let's go explore it. Okay, guys, the truth be told, I absolutely love IKEA. It's so wonderful. Now, truth speaking, about 80% of my house is made of IKEA furniture, kitchenware, toys, things for kids. Like, guys, I love IKEA so much. It's great quality, very space efficient, and it's great priced. So guys, today I am very honored and very grateful that I can introduce the brand new IKEA launch with you guys. Well, that is 4 new showrooms, tons of new products, and guys, it's going to be awesome. Now, in order to do so, I actually brought another YouTuber who's from Sweden to help me introduce this. His name is Lukas. Oh, 有点太高，等一下。Wow. Okay, I think this works. Wow, 他真的很高. Okay, guys, this is Lukas. Now, you are from Sweden. He's an awesome YouTuber, got some awesome stuff. Definitely check out his channel. But you are helping me introduce IKEA today. We got new stuff. So we're going to have a lot of fun with it. We're going to be doing 2 challenges. Now, the first one is I'm going to take him to the showrooms. We're going to be hiding these little stuffed animals. While I explain it, he's going to be looking for it. You've got about 30 seconds. Do you think you can do it?
Okay, sure.
Yes.
What do I win?
Well, if he wins the challenges, he gets an ice cream. An IKEA ice cream, which is probably one of the best things here. So, let's get going with the challenge. This is the first showroom. On your marks, get set, go! Okay, guys, this showroom is actually super fresh. If you look at this bed, a nice purple, and oh, incredibly comfortable. Really good for the summer. Now, if we come back here in just a second, Lukas, look at this space. Look at this space in here. You can store so many things. It's very nice. And you know what? I'm a big fan of this. You jump over here, you've actually got this big cupboard you can put tons of things in. This is a fabulous room, nice chill, super fresh, a good place for pets, and I'm a big fan of this. Lukas, have you found it?
No.
Oh, right here. Woo! He lost round 1. Let's move to the next showroom. Showroom number 2, let's go! Okay, guys, this showroom is actually really nice, and once again, it's got this nice, warm, summer vibe going for it. What I love is this couch right here. Sits 3, oh my gosh. Sits 3 people, incredibly comfortable. The colors of these pillows are quite festive. Really nice summer feeling to it. Guys, I'm a big fan of this. Keeps you cool, relax in the summer, and just have a great day. Lukas, 你有找到了吗？时间快到了。Can he find it? Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, you're out of time. Look right there, behind the window. Oh. Hey, okay, guys. We're now going to be moving to the next showroom. Let's go. Showroom number 3, go! Okay, guys, if you look, this is like one big home, right? You actually got your whole living room, which has tons. It's got a sofa. Oh, he found it! Okay, but anyways, guys, this is a sofa, a really nice place to watch TV. You've got your big room back here. You got a bathroom, a kid's room, and this whole entire thing is good. Now, what he saw with this is these cabinets. You just tap, and it opens right up, and that's where we found the monkey. This is a fun room. We're now going to be heading to the next showroom. Let's go. Okay, guys, showroom number 4, get set, go! Okay, guys, if you look at this place, the entire color, the palette here is incredibly beautiful, super comfortable. This bed, oh, we found it. This bed, though, unreal. It keeps you nice and cool. Let me show you this stuff. Actually, sit down real quick, Lukas. This stuff is incredibly super green. It's actually weave, so when you sit down on this, uber comfortable. Let me jump over here. Guys, this place over here, tons and tons of storage. You can fit lots of stuff in there. It's amazing. You got drawers. This is definitely an awesome room. Let's go for the next challenge, and then we'll wrap things up. Showroom number 5, let's get going. Now, if you look at this, it's a super pink purple room, perfect for a little girl. This makes me excited. I'm a dad, so come over here. Absolutely cute bed. You got the nice wall coloring. You got these cute flowers. Talk about accessories. You come over here, you've got great art projects, wonderful storage, all pink once again, matches great for your little daughter. And then look at this, an awesome place to get close. It's really short so they can access it. I absolutely love it. Oh, they found it! So, coming to this room makes me happy because I have a little girl on the way, so I'm super excited about this. I might be getting some stuff, cute up the room, and make it great for a kid. Let's get going. Okay, Lukas, you did pretty good, but it was almost average at finding things, but, you know, I still think you get an ice cream cone.
I thought I did a great job.
Well, I'm curious now, what is my challenge?
So you did mention that IKEA had a new launch.
Oh, yes.
A lot of new products.
Yes.
And I thought we're gonna see how well you can read those names.
Okay, let's go for it. Here we go. And this chair, this is a Equal Sun.
No.
No?
This is Ekolsund.
Oh, whatever. This thing is incredibly comfortable. You have to try this out. Oh, look at this couch. This happens to be the Frighten. Yeah? Frighten?
No. Friheten.
Friheten. This is a good couch. Look at this. Look at this. Move your legs. And we've got a bed. This folds up. You can put stuff under here and relaxation at its best. This is one nice little cart. Look at this. This is the Raskog. The Raiskog.
Just as bad as Alan. Råskog.
Ruskog. Anyways, it's nice. You can take it pretty much anywhere in your house. Put stuff in there, roll it around. Pretty convenient. Let's go to the next item, guys. This is the cutest little kitchen ever. This is called the Spigasig. What is this?
Probably not. Species.
Species. Anyways, cute little kitchen, great for kids, and you know what? I'm gonna be playing here too. I found one that I can pronounce.
Really?
IKEA 365. I got it, guys.
You missed it though. Plus.
Oh no. Anyways, this is actually a cool little bowl. It actually like vacuum seals the top right here, keeps things really fresh. But check out this bed. This happens to be called the Filan. Yeah? Filan? Filan?
Filan.
Oh, I was close on that one. Anyways, guys, this is a really cool bed, really nice and cool. It's super stable. I can bounce. You feel it? You feel it?
I don't.
Not at all. He's not getting anything. So this bed's really nice. Got a 25-year guarantee. So you can sleep for the night. And I think I'm gonna get ice cream. I'm gonna get ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yes, cheers. Okay, guys, we had so much fun today here at IKEA doing all these challenges, and we did, and you know what? I think we did pretty good. So we both get this delicious, amazing IKEA ice cream, which is definitely the highlight of the whole store. Anyways, Lukas is from Sweden. So I want to know, what are your thoughts about IKEA? Do Swedish people actually go to IKEA?
Swedish people love IKEA.
Really? You go there?
I go there all the time. Most of the time, I go there to eat. But I do equip my entire apartment with IKEA furniture.
Otherwise, I'm gonna go check out a truck outside and I'll see you later, okay?
I will probably go get another ice cream.
Awesome. Take care. See that truck? That is one big IKEA truck moving. It's a big showcase. Let's check it out. This is awesome. Come here. Come here. We're going to hop inside together. Now, this truck really specializes on number one, living with the family, you know, having kids and everything, and two, being super space efficient. So let me show you. When you first walk into the truck, you've actually got the kids room. Now, this kids room's awesome. It's got this cute little bed, stuffed animals, and this is one of the coolest things, right? If you have two kids, don't worry. This folds into a bed right here. Talk about space efficiency, talk about cute, and it's awesome. So also this got other places, you know, you can hang up their clothes or whatever. It's a small place, but it can work. Now you jump over here into the middle of this truck, and we got the bathroom. You can do your business here, you can wash your hands, it's decorated nice, and talk about selfie time. Anyways, guys, and then moving on to this other part of the truck, the actual master bedroom, if you look. Small space, but decorated very beautiful. You've even got bookshelves right here. You've got a nice bed, you've got a guitar, and this place is incredibly comfortable. Let me just lay down. Anyways, guys, this showroom truck is actually really neat. I was super excited to see it. One side is rooms, the other side is glass. I want you guys to be able to have this opportunity to check it out yourselves. So, put all the information down below. This truck is going to be touring Central Taiwan. The location's right here. Check it out, guys. There's more links and everything in the information down below. This is a cool truck. I want to show you some cool angles, and then we'll get moving on with our tour here in IKEA. Is unbelievable, am I right? Okay guys, well I had so much fun coming here to IKEA today. Now you see, I love IKEA. I'm a big advocate for IKEA. Most of my house is all the furniture, so I am once again very grateful to be announcing the brand new IKEA launch. Tons of new showrooms, tons of new products, and guys, you've got this big, awesome truck that's coming to your neighborhood, so definitely check it out. Okay guys, I want to show you something really cool. They want to do a fun giveaway, so go to my Facebook page to find out more about that. But if you want to, come definitely check out this new place. IKEA is an awesome place to just go check things out and to eat some great ice cream. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for coming. Once again, put your thoughts and comments down below. Remember to hit subscribe, give me a like, please. And guys, I love you so much, and I think you all know what they say. 喝一杯，快乐一杯，米浆万岁！欢迎光临，嘿嘿嘿嘿，大家早安。就是我，小贝米浆。今天太好了吧，对不对？大家过来，我们一起快乐，我们一起喝米浆，同频眼光炒米浆 ，Let's go！
我每天都在想，要不要喝米浆？嘿，我讲。